Did you know that India is home to some of the world's mightiest mountains? From the icy heights of Kangchenjunga to the hidden giants of Ladakh, India's mountain ranges are not just breathtakingly beautiful, but also steeped in history, culture, and adventure. In today's episode, we'll take you on a virtual trek through the top 10 highest mountains in India. So get ready to witness nature's grandeur as we unveil the majestic mountains of India. Number 10. Jongsong Peak, located at the tri-junction of India, Nepal, and China. Jongsong Peak is a remote and majestic summit that few have dared to explore. Standing tall at 7,462 meters, it presents a thrilling challenge for experienced mountaineers. Number 9. Taram Kangri. Situated in the politically sensitive Siachen Glacier area, Taram Kangri is a towering peak wrapped in mystery and ice. This mountain's remote location and difficult terrain have made it a less traveled destination for mountaineers. Number 8. Sasar Kangri III. Part of the dramatic Sasar Muztagh range, this peak is known for its steep ridges and glacial terrain. The Sasar Kangri III challenges even the most seasoned mountaineers with its icy conditions and technical climbing routes. Number 7. Sasar Kangri II-E. Another gem of the Sasar Muztagh, this peak offers a rugged and icy challenge for high-altitude adventurers. The Sasar Kangri II-E requires specialized equipment and a skilled team to conquer. Number 6. Mamastong Kangri, the tallest peak in the Remo Muztagh range. Mamastong Kangri is a wild and largely unexplored mountain. Its remote location and challenging terrain make it an off-the-beaten-path destination for mountaineers seeking new frontiers. Number 5. Sasar Kangri Bind. The highest of the Sasar peaks, this summit dominates the landscape with its icy grandeur. Sasar Kangri Dabrai is a prominent landmark in the region and a formidable challenge for those looking to test their limits. Number 4. Saltoro Kangri. Part of the Karakoram range, Saltoro Kangri lies near the Siachen Glacier and remains one of India's most inaccessible peaks. Its sheer size and remote location make it a coveted destination for mountaineering expeditions. Number 3. Kamet. The highest summit in the Zaskar range, Kamet is a remote and challenging climb. Surrounded by glaciers and high passes, this mountain's rugged terrain and unpredictable weather conditions make it a true test of endurance for those who dare to venture here. Number 2. Nanda Devi. India's tallest peak entirely within its borders. Nanda Devi stands as a sacred symbol of the country's natural heritage. Recognized as a UNESCO World Heritage Site, this mountain's cultural significance is deeply intertwined with local folklore and religious beliefs. Number 1. Mount Kangchenjunga. The crown jewel of Indian mountains, Kangchenjunga is the third highest mountain in the world and a sacred guardian of the eastern Himalayas. Standing majestically at 8,598 meters, it is truly a sight to behold. As we conclude our journey through the top 10 highest mountains in India, we hope you've been inspired by the raw beauty and untamed spirit of these natural wonders. From the challenging terrains to the breathtaking vistas, India's mountain ranges offer a feast for the eyes and a playground for adventure seekers. Now it's time to hear from you. Which mountain peak did you find the most fascinating? And if you've ever climbed any of these peaks, share your experiences in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more thrilling journeys into the heart of nature. Thanks for watching. Until next time, stay curious, stay adventurous, and keep exploring the wonders of our planet.